Kikombe cha umbea kimeshadunda mezani, yani
chai ya moto show.
Oh yes, kwana temeroreri wito wa Just Kenya official jetekeri orege nyigere thini wa mitambo ino nigatha thina mbere gukumenyithia mohoro mothe mana marahanika thini wa nenda citu cio kinyanire na ngihoka ati no ragithii na mbere gukorwo gi subscribe thini wa station ino nigatha ndugagitigwo thutha ni mohoro bare mothe turakurehera thini wa station ino na ni ati tugithi mwena wa Facebook ni gukoretwo ndakwira mundu gutu Simon Mwangi Muthiora ni auga this is my last post about Jeff Mwathi today or story iria kana post iria yakore gitiga andu aingi muno na kieha na ningi andu angi magakorwo makiuria hihi ni kigi akora Simon Mwangi Muthiora hihi kai Simon Mwangi Muthiora akorwo agi give up thini wa maundu maria aroerite no ningi mwiroreri ni ngwenda ngoro ngikutwara thini wa maundu maria mafans makoretwo mareria horo uyu na ningi angi makiruta hisia ciao tofauti o iria kumana na horo uyu wa Simon Mwangi Muthiora uria arari na #justice for Jeff ni ngwenda gukorwo ngiguthomera ni ati mundu gwito Sam haha ni okite akauga don't and I repeat don't give up on this. Ogi akauga there is no reverse gear to this, keep on moving forward until Jeffs and the family get justice. Ogi agoka kauga you cannot start mundu gwito wa Boy Kimani agoka kauga you cannot start something yenye huwezi maliza. We said as women we are praying and covering you with the blood of Jesus. We should fight this to the end. Tiga kuigeria heho. Ogi agacoka kauga atiriri etagwo Shiko Denzel akauga I just hope you keep safe. It was a long battle. May the Lord protect you. Ogi gwito Kimani Mchege agacoka kauga don't give up bro, fight for justice of this boy till the end. They shouldn't scare you. Ati unamwambia pole for exposing him. Pole for what? Ogi gwito Magi Njuguna akauga tushoke turore nako. You don't leave us hanging mkuu. We were almost there. Ogi akauga atiriri etagwo Jerry wa Ngogi akauga we ain't relenting. Macio ni maundu ma andu aria makoretwo makiuga kumana na uhoro uyu wa Simon Mwangi Muthiora kuhana ta arakorwo agikuiti thiini wa story ino ya Jeff Mwathi. Ndugakorwo githi kuraihu kana ndugakorwo githi kuraya tondu tugukorwo tugicoka thiini wa session ino nigetha tuguthii na mbere gukumenyithia mohoro maya na mangi maingi.